Bruce Hantover, part 2 here, May 19th, 2024. Please continue.
So, during the Spanish Civil War, there's a story that after Picasso created his painting Guernica, it was put on display, where naturally it came to the attention of the Gestapo, who were in Spain as, as the right hand of Franco. And so they brought Picasso into the Gestapo headquarters and confronted him with the photo of Guernica that had been put on display. And they said to him, "Did you do this?" And he replied, "No,
Interesting.
you did."
That's a fabulous story. Wow, that's a true story, I assume. Wow, that's incredible. Thank you. Thank you.
That's it.
Thank you. I'm just staying closer.
Okay.
I'm going to come over this way, kind of get a bit more of an art scene there. Good. Thank you, Bruce.